Your Excellency, Minister of National Planning, distinguished guests, government representative, and UN and NGO representative who are today here. On behalf of NGO Consortium, I would like to thank my sincere appreciation to the organizers of this event, particularly the Minister of National Planning, technical team. Without their extreme support, this event will not be possible. The objective of this consultation has four main objectives. Number one is to strengthen dialogue between the government and NGOs, to jointly review key challenges and opportunities, to enhance collaboration mechanisms so that our efforts are better aligned with the national priorities, and to finally ensure that policies and decisions are informed by an accurate field relations and experience of implementing partners. This platform enables us to listen one another, exchange perspectives, and identify practical, actionable solutions to improve our service delivery, access, and accountability. It is also reaffirm our shared responsibilities to support communities through principled need-based program that upholds transparency, partnership, and accountability. Although this consultation is intended to take place annually, it has not been held for the last 2 years due to the competing priorities and overlapping agendas. So I would like, therefore, to extend my sincere appreciation to Mr. Khaltoum, the Minister of National Planning, for her leadership and for dedication and commitment in ensuring this event consultation to be happen as scheduled. During today, we will hear a series of presentations highlighting the joint milestones achieved by the Somaliland government with its supporting partners. We also reflect our challenge we have collectively faced over the past years. This consultation also provides an important opportunity to review the current trends in aid flow for Somaliland, including a notable decline in the funding compared to the priorities outlined in the National Development Tree. And understanding these trends is critical as they directly affect our ability to deliver service and support the communities effectively. It is a shared responsibility for all of us, government, NGOs, and partners, to explore innovative opportunities that can strengthen our consultation coordination efforts. By working collaboratively, we can minimize uncertain expenditures and maximize the impact of available resources and ensure that our collective intervention are aligned efficiently and responsively to the national priorities. I would like to give special thanks to my community NGO consortium members who will show or play a very strong role that they can contribute to the National Development Plan and entire Somaliland development. Finally, we would like to together agree on a clear, realistic actions that will guide us, our cooperation and strengthen moving forward. Once again, I would like to thank for all your presence and your willingness to contribute to the successful outcome of this coordination. In conclusion, waxaan u mahad celinayaa dhammaan dadka ka soo qayb galay oo ay u badan yihiin dowladda iyo hay-adaha. Final outcome-ka exercise-kan ka soo baxay wuxuu naga caawin doonaa shirka high level aid coordination-ka oo dhici doona 9-ka bisha, kaasoo aan rabno inaynu waxa lagaga hadlayo tangible aan ka soo saarno. My pledging and message-kaygu waxa weeyaan the technical team oo weliba dadka dhalinyarada u badan inay afternoon sessions-ka aanay ka tegin oo aynu soo saarno ku caawino wasaaradda sidii loo soo saari lahaa communique ka turjumaya baahida loo qabo sida looga gudbayo iyo prioritiska yaalla. Waxaynu ognahay prioritiska National Development Tree-ga ku qoran iyo funding problemska maanta haysta inaysan iska turjumaynin, laakiin waxaan rabnaa inaynu la nimaadno seebaynu u minimize garayn karnaa kharashaadka aan loo baahnayn, seebaynu u maximize garayn karnaa waxa loo baahan yahay. Marka aynu maskaxdeena tuujinno inta sessionsku ka dhammaanayaan, particularly dhalinyarada iyo technical teamska iyo agaasimayaasha guud, si aynu uga wada faa'iidaysano panel discussionska oo note-ka halkan ka soo baxa oo wasaaradda u caawiyay inay shirka Nairobi la tagto. Aad iyo aad baan idinku mahadcelinaya.